So good day everyone. So before anything else, kindly please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to discuss Criminological Research 1, Research Method with Applied Statistics Syllabi. So this is the content for our Criminological Research 1. The course description. This course focuses on how writing research paper or thesis is done and the applicable statistical tools, understanding the different parts of the thesis, their interplay, and the governing rules in writing a technical paper, the development of a research problem, the instrument, the data gathering methods, and the treatment of data collected. So for the course outcomes, at the end of the semester, the students are expected to understand the nature, meaning, characteristics, and classification of research, apply the basic methods of research in the field of criminology, apply statistical tools in the analysis and interpretation of research data, conduct and submit a research paper at the end of the term, and also to recognize the importance of criminological research. So for prelim period, we will discuss 4 chapters. So chapter 1 entitled Foundation of Criminological Research. Chapter 2 Kinds and Classification of Research. Chapter 3 Introducing Research Paper Format. And chapter 4 is Parts and Contents of a Thesis. Okay, so what are the content for chapter 1? Chapter 1, Foundation of Criminological Research. The contents are definition of research and also what are the characteristics of a research. Okay? And then for chapter 2, I will discuss kinds and classification of research according to purpose, according to goal, according to the levels of investigation, according to the type of analysis, according to scope, according to choice of answers to problems, according to statistical content, according to time element, the scientific method of research, and also the principles of the scientific method. So aside from that, we will also discuss the chapter 3, which is introducing the research paper format. So on this part, I will now show you the proper format of a research paper. Okay? And for our chapter 4, we will discuss the parts and the contents of thesis. Okay? So on that part, letter A, we have preliminary pages. Andyan na po yung title page, yung abstract natin, yung dedication, the approval page, the table of content, okay, and all other parts of the preliminary pages. Okay, and also for chapter 1, we have the introduction. So on the part of introduction, um, we have there the background of the study, the conceptual or theoretical framework of the study. We have also the statement of the problem and the scope and the limitation. And for research methodology, we have the research design, the statistical tools, population and locale, the validity of the tool or the questionnaire, and others. And for chapter 3, that will be on the part of the results and discussion. So, dyan po sa part na yan, dyan na po yung i-interpret natin yung mga data collected. And also for chapter 4, we have the conclusions and recommendations. And lastly is the appendices. Okay? So, until chapter 4 will be our topic for the prelim period. So, on prelim period, we will be able to identify what are the parts and format of thesis so that you will be able to show some samples of thesis in the proper format, especially our university format. So that is the content of our discussion for this morning. So to be updated, please click the notification bell for more videos. So that's all for today. So thank you and have a good day. God bless everyone.